right? Today we're talking about it's day what? Day 6 actually. It's day 6 today, and you guys have been here since day 1. That is good. That is good. Clap hands for yourself. Please clap hands for yourself wherever you are. This is good. Being able to reach day 6, I know the stress, I know the pressure. Things happen. So let's get to business. I'll be in 1 hour. 1 hour. I'm serious today. 1 hour. Please set a timer for me. Please set a timer for me. Set an alarm clock for me so that so that so that I'm able to just make it 1 hour straight. Now today is day 6. We are starting our business with 0.0. Okay, that's good. So I'm launching without capital. That's very, very good. All right. So how do you start a business with 00 Emalangen? Now, one of the things we already touched yesterday, right? So yesterday we touched the part of what was it yesterday when we're doing when we no not yesterday, the day before, when we're doing our online books. That is one way. The first one, it is by selling digital products. So that's the first thing. You sell digital products. You can make money using that one. Digital products, they just need you to have what? They just need you to have the book or whatever you're going to decide to sell. Do you know that you can even start your a business like maybe someone wants to sell things. You want to sell clothes, you want to sell machines, you want to sell something. You don't really have to have money to buy the thing for you to start. All you have to do is just to have the idea, and then you pitch your idea or you start marketing. How? Do you see what the same formula that is used by what? Emma Run or the other okay, there are those who are runners, right? And then there are those who buy from runners and they sell. Usually they sell, they buy the things, then they add 100 rand or 50 rand, however how much they add. Do you understand that that person runs the business without having any money of their own? Because the whole amount is going to be covered by what? Is going to be covered by the customer. For instance, let me just look at, I'm going to make an example. I'm going to make an example with what? With this group over here. We are just making example, ne? So this is a kitchen. This is they basically sell this runner specializes on kitchen utensils, right? Now, if you see this set, it is 16-piece dolphin sport, right? Now, as you, as the one who wants to start a business, so you know that this thing is going to cost 850, and then you're going to calculate all your costs, everything involved with purchasing this, meaning plus the runner fee, plus every other cost that are going to be covered till the product reaches your hand. Let's say the total expenses is 950 here, or it's 900. So you can now say this is a 1000 Emalangeni thing, right? All you have to do is to advertise this thing on your status, on your Facebook, create a poster, or you sponsor that thing, and then you get customers. You get the customer. After getting the customer, you make the customer pay the money now. It is not you who's supposed to put the money, it's the customer, right? So now you are able to buy the whole product, no cost involved that are going to touch your pocket. The 100 Malangeni profit that you're going to make from this one alone, it is yours. So you understand that all you need is just what? The product and then the market. Some you might not be interested in this, but you can do this thing even for gadgets. You can do this thing for household essentials. All you just find the price. This chair is 45 Malangen. You most of the time, the people who are doing this business I'm talking about, they even double the price and just say no. This chair is 90 rand or 100 rand. You will never know that the chair was 45 Malangen, right? Because it is only you who knows the price from the runner, from the shop there. So you can start your business like that. If you are interested in selling products, reselling products, you can use such people. Ne? You can use such people. Everything that you want online, even if it is clothes, even if you want to do clothes, You take the price from the runner, the final price, and then you add your own. You start and you are running your own business with 0 emalangeni. You get. So you can do this same strategy for a lot of products as long as you know where to buy the thing cheaper. Because these things you can buy them in South Africa, a Josie, Depen, you can go to where? You can even go to Mozambique. So for instance, even if you are in a shop, even if you are running a shop, there are products that in that shop they are not there, but you don't have the money or the capital to buy the products. So what do? You simply just advertise the products. It is almost like drop shipping, or you print on demand. Print on demand, it basically means you advertise a certain brand. For instance, if I'm going to show you this, uh, so if you look at this t-shirt, this was our clothing brand that we started with 0.0 Emalangen. All you have to do is to make the logo, and then after making this logo, you just put there are this you see these women. This person is not real. This is not a real human being that you see here. These are stock images. These are images that we use for advertising. Ne? This is not a real person, this one that you are seeing here, even this one. So all you have to do is just to create, it's just for you to create the logo, and then you start marketing. We were using this lady, I don't even know her name, even if I will ever meet her. The next thing, if you get the first customer, your first customer, like I said, is what? It is your testimonial. That is where you get your reviews. Now, I got my customers and they bought my clothes. After that, I take pictures. Remember, I said you don't post people's pictures unless you get permission from them. So don't just appear and be posting people's pictures. You ask, guys, can I please take your picture? I want to advertise this business to the next level. This is it. You get. There was no money involved anywhere here. All you have to do is to know, where do I get the t-shirts? I'm going to give you contacts for the people whom you can use to get the t-shirts very cheap, to get the hoodies very cheap. Then you go and you print it. That's what we call print on demand. That is what we call print on demand. You don't have to be a good, you don't even have to know how to sew. You don't even have to know how to sew. You just have to know where to get the right things. Business is all about it. Know where to get what, where. You can even start the perfume business for a zero, like zero. Ne? So now let's get to business. How am I going to start my own clothing brand? Ne? Practical steps. Let's get to the practical steps. Now let's start it like this. Where am I going to go? Let's come in here. Let's come and visit my friends here. So this is cloud. This is where we start. This is where it all starts. This is cloud AI. Now I'm going to tell cloud that I want to start a no, maybe let me I want to start a Christian. So you can just change the prompt anyhow, the way you want it, ne? So I want to start a Christian clothing brand. Can you recommend names I can use for this level? Then we go. What you are going to get are a lot of options that you can use. Ne? For instance, let's look at the first one. This is faith forward and bold. Ne? Covenant strengths, armor of light, grace and light, redeemed collective, kingdom way, truth cloth, salt and light apparel. You see, we are only getting now what names that you can use for micro. You don't have to think hard. What am I going to name my clothing brand? These are the answers now. So you can change the prompt and say maybe you want to start a streetwear, you want to start a funny one, or you want to start one that is going to focus on the youth. And then choose any of these names. For instance, let me go for Kingdom Way. Eh? So I'm going to say I'm choosing, then you copy and paste, then you put it like that so that it is nice. I'm choosing Kingdom Way. Now give me prompt to generate a high quality logo that will show excellence. Now you press play again, then we go. Now this is the prompt. So this is the prompt for generating our logo. We are now designing a logo. We are now designing, what do you call it? You call it the emblem, you call it that whatever you call it. That is what we are designing now. So you copy and paste this thing, then you take it where? Let's take it to AI Studio. AI Studio, you already know how to get to AI Studio. And then you say try nano banana, and then you are going to paste the prompt there. Then you click run. So you paste the prompt, then you click run, and then as okay, as it is still speaking here, let's go to Leonardo. Leonardo is the other one that we use. So on Leonardo, make sure that the image dimensions is 1:1. You see it here. You see this one, 1:1. This is to say we want it to be a circle. I mean, we want it to be a square. If you want it to be a rectangle, choose 16:9. So now where it says type prompt, you are simply going to what? You're simply going to paste that prompt. And then the next thing you're going to do is say generate. You get. So we're saying generate. So it is generating now here. It is going to be done in a few seconds. And then while it is at it, I can go back this side and check the options that I have. So this is the first option that we have, Kingdom Way. If you like it, you take it, but if you don't, you leave it. Me, I don't like this one, so I will skip. Then I will see the other one. The other one is almost similar. I'm still not in love with it, so I'm going to skip. Let's go back to Leonardo and check out the options from there. So Leonardo is giving us Kingdom Way like this. Kingdom Way like this. This is unique, actually. This is unique. Then Kingdom Way like that. Kingdom Way. So did you take any time doing this thing? Did you waste any time? Did you, like, this was less than 10 minutes thing? This was less than 5 minutes thing. You have got a logo. If you don't like the logo that you have currently, you go back to cloud and you make again. You make it again. You make the prompt again until you get what you want. So take your time. If it is something that, if it is a brand that you really want to take to get out there, so make sure that that brand, it is going to be outstanding. So I might love this one and say Kingdom Way, and then I'm going to say save image. You get. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to save this thing. So I'm going to save it, and then now I want to wear myself this thing. I want to see myself wearing this thing. Then what am I going to do? I am going to attach the image. So I'm going to attach my photo firstly. Let me look at a good picture for myself. So I'm going to look for my picture, and then I will attach it here. Then I will attach another one, which is what? Which is the logo that we just generated. And then I will attach them both here. Now I am going to say generate a resistivity image for my clothing brand. Use the attached image and make him wear a white hoodie with the black sneakers. And then you're going to click run. The process is not complicated actually. The process is not complicated. So you can use AI like I just did now if you want to be faster. There is the slower way, obviously. There is a slower way, which is what? Which is the other part of using Canva. So I might show you the other one. So I might show you the slower way. But this one, after a few minutes, it is going to give us results. So let's see. Let's see the results that we are going to get from this. It is very much exciting actually. It is very much exciting. You are going to see. So the slower way is by using Canva. I'm still going to show you that one, but it takes time. Like I always say, you don't have to work hard here. You've got to work smart. Ne? So look at me. Do you see me now? Did I go to the studio to take pictures? Did I go to the studio to take pictures for me to wear like this? No, my friend. You don't need to go to the studio for these things. You just need AI. And can you imagine that this photo is an AI generated one? If you look at the face, I mean, let's look at the face of the guy. Does it look like this is AI? This is my real face. I'm wearing my logo right now, Kingdom Way, the one we just generated. I'm wearing a short. By the way, I don't wear shorts, so I don't think my legs are like that. Yeah, I don't think my legs are like this. No, don't get any ideas. My legs are bigger than those now. So come on, guys. Okay, okay. So you get the idea now. You get the idea. So was there anyone who has left in the steps that I was just showing right there? Please, did you lose any steps so that I just wherever you lost a step? Okay, I need that runner services, please. Okay, I will give you the contacts. Don't worry. I will give you the groups and the contacts for whatever you need. Whatever you need, I will supply you with those details. So, did we all see the steps that were involved in doing that? Did we all see that? Okay. All right, I will take it that everyone saw the steps. So the first thing that you do, you go to cloud. Let me just recap on them. You go to cloud, you ask cloud that you want to start a clothing brand, and then you ask for names, you get the names, then you ask for the prompt to generate what? The logo. Then you go to Leonard AI, you make your logo, or you go to this place which is what? AI Studio. This is where this is as it is AI Studio. This is a real studio. This is where we do our studio things. This this is where we take pictures basically. So I can make myself wear any clothes I want. I can make myself do whatever I want using this simple AI prompts. So no matter how bad you look, we can make you look smart. So you don't have to have a funny profile. Please, no funny profile pictures. no funny profile pictures, so that you can be able to market yourself well. You don't need to pay. Go to AI Studio, put your image there, then you look for a prompt to generate good images, and then we can now start what? We can start advertising. Did I use any money? If I know that this hoodie, they charge it's 250 from where I get it from, a plain one, and then it is 40 emalangeni to put this print here, 40 to 60. So your budget should be maximum 60. So basically it's 250 plus 60 emalangeni, and then you can now charge. You can now say it's 400, depending on what you want. But the person is going to pay. When the person pays, you go and get the thing, you order it, readily available. It is all possible. You go to dance. I don't recommend pep things. Pep things usually they don't last very long. So you can go to dance, you can go to Mr. Price, get a clear hoodie, then you go and print it out. No work done. You get. All right. So like I said, that today is going to be, today is just practical. So I'm just getting wow. I didn't expect such a question from somebody. So sometimes the questions that we see, you guys, the things that you do. eh, all right. So sorry for that disturbance. Okay, let me look at again. What do we need to cover? So I don't need notes for today's things. Now, all you have to do is to create what? You create that Facebook. Okay. Okay. You create that thing. You create a TikTok account, a Facebook account, where just use different colors. Just use the different colors. So I can now say, change the hoodie to black. So you can make this person wear different things. You can just be changing it like that. Ne? You can change it like that. You can change it like that. Lindsay, I just saw your message now. I hadn't seen it before. So I had not seen that message before. We will talk. We will talk. Okay. We will talk. All right. Now, as it is still changing here, let's go to this long process. So the long process is what? Is by using Canva. So what do? You get to Canva, and then you go to home. Step one is go home. Step two, you go to apps. You go to apps. Then step three, you go to mockups. So step one home, step two apps, step three mockup. Mockup, it is just down. And then you are going to go to apparel. Apparel is clothing. Ne? And then you're going to choose either you want to do sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, or tank tops. So I'm going to choose what? I'm going to choose uh sweatshirts. Okay. This is the longer process, ne? So this is the longer process. And then I am going to choose any of these characters that you see here. So these people, they are single and ready to mingle. Ne? So you can choose any of them except for those who have put themselves as stars or with the crowns. That one is for the paid versions. Ne? So I'm going to choose, okay, I can choose this Chinese one. Yeah. I can choose this Chinese one because I want to learn Chinese. So I'm going to choose her. Then after choosing her, or after choosing the one that you want, so me, I'm choosing a Chinese one. In as much as it doesn't look that Chinese, I think she's a cross. That's okay. So you are going to click select. So when you click select, it is going to take you to what? To uploads or to images that you've uploaded. So you're going to say upload files. You remember that our logo is on downloads, right? So I'm going to go to the logo, then click on it, upload it here. As it is uploaded now here, and then what are we going to do? I'm going to click on it and then say what? Next. So you can see now she's wearing that thing. So this is the longer process. It takes time because you still have to try to move it bit by bit, be moving it like that. So it is a longer process by using this one. But if you want the first one, let's just use AI, guys. Let's use AI. It is easy. You don't have to stress yourself about, okay, you can change the colors. You wanted to wear different colors, you change the colors like here. Ne? So you can do it like that. It is long. I wouldn't recommend it for people who are like you now, who are business minded. So it is up to you which one you want to use, anyways. So when you are done choosing all those things, then you can just say save mockup. You go and advertise. So you can have different characters, you can have different images, different sizes. You choose any character, you put it, you make them wear the clothes, you choose any of them. You can choose Abdul here. You can see Abdul is already smiling, so he's happy to welcome you to business. So choose Abdul there and then put him, tell him to wear the clothes for you and stuff. So that is how we do it. So see, now they changed image. Look at this. It's going to come to your screen in a few seconds. This, yeah, look at that. I just simply said change the hoodie to what? To black. And we've got a nice hoodie, just like that. Then you just keep advertising. That's all you do. Keep advertising. Now you've got your business running. Now you've got your business running. This thing is not complicated, my dear ones. This thing is not complicated. I feel like I should wrap everything up today. I feel like I should wrap everything up. No. So those are the free and low cost business tools that you can use. Now, for someone, okay, I've been running all these things without needing to register my business because I work in the house, so there is no need for me to register my business. But if you want to open a shop now, if you want to take this thing to the next level, you need to register your business. You get. So you do need to register your business. Now I'm going to ask Slee, are you there? Okay, I'm going to ask Slee to give us just a brief talk about company registration, ne? The processes and everything. She does company registrations. We are going to send you their details after class on the group, ne? So I'm going to send them after class on the group. But if you want to send them in the group already, I can open the group for you. So Slee, please just give us a brief overview about the whole process. Just off your mic and then you can speak.
Good day, everyone.
Good day, everyone. Hi,
Hello.
Slee. We can hear you.
Yes. Okay. My name is
Yes, okay. My
Cindy.
name is Cindy.
From Prestige
I'm
Investment
from
Associate
Investment
Eswatini. We
Association.
are around
We are
Matapa.
around Matapa.
Hello.
Hello?
Can
Yeah,
you guys
okay.
hear
Just
me?
Can you guys hear me? Try to increase your mic a bit and or maybe come closer to the mic. Labani are having troubles. Just come closer more.
Okay. Okay. Good day,
Okay.
everyone.
Good day, everyone.
Hello.
Good day, sir. Hello? Yes, we
Yes.
can hear you.
Okay.
Continue. Yes, okay.
My name is Linda. I'm
My name is
representing
Linda.
Prestige Business Eswatini. Yes. Okay. At Prestige Business, we specialize in professional business registration and services. Like we do company registration, trading licenses, tax clearances, chain registration, business bank account. Okay. Our mission is to help businesses of all sizes, small scale, medium scale, and large scale, build a solid foundation and operate smooth with full compliance. And we offer a complete range of services, like I have listed earlier, that we do company registration, trading licenses, tax returns, TIN registration, provident fund registration, business bank account setups, and all so forth. So we ensure that your business is legally established and ready to operate. So beyond registration, we provide ongoing business management, handling your monthly tax fillings, marketing, and advertising on social media. Yes. We make it our goal to help your business not only to stay compliant, but to also grow and thrive to the markets. Yeah. We also assist companies in attaining EMA tenders from both government and private institution. Yes. So sitholakala thina la kamahhala ka-engine. Ngicabanga ukuthi if you guys want me to illustrate what is business and why do you need to register a business, I can take you through the next slide, which is my next uh, slide is okay. What can I say about what is a business? A business is an activity where a person or a group provide goods or services to customers in exchange for money. A business operates by identifying a need, producing something that satisfies that need, and earning profits from the sales. The main goal of a business is to make money, grow, and serve its customers better. So, okay. Also, advantages of registering your business. Number one, it access to fundings and capital. Ase ngibekise nje nangabe urejistile ibhizinisi yakho leyo company unako konke so registile. Standard Bank nje if you qualify for i-loan uyakunika noma ufuna bo 50,000 noma 100 kukuwe kuya ngalokuthi i-turnover yakho ithini nako konke. Phinde futhi ibhizinisi imcoka ngokuthi uyiregister ngalokuthi it is professional image and customer trust. Umuntu nje ase ngibekise mina nje get customer nangabe liyafika kimi to register waze wakhanda i-license kude noma ini maybe bafuna ubentele something nangabe ude emaphepha bavele bakwence baye kulenye i-consultancy. So ngicabanga ukuthi naloko kuyakusida ukuthi ibhizinisi yakho iqhubeke indlondlobale nangabe urejistile. Also ibhizinisi ama-advantages ekuregister ibhizinisi, it's business growth and expansion. Phinde futhi it's legally protection and support. Yeah, ngakufaka nalokho. Then cabanga ukuthi angathi ngagcina lapho wena namuhla ukuthi nje nangabe bofisile ku-register ibhizinisi thina sitholakala kamahhala, senda konke kwa-business plan, siyakusita kuko konke. Ya, ngicabanga ukuthi bengingasho kanjalo futhi. Angathi noma kukhona nangabe kukhona lo sele lo ongakeva kahle.
Okay, so a question that I'm seeing, someone is saying from the comments box, please repeat the name of the company. So the name of the company is it's Prestige Business Consultants Eswatini. So this is, I've just sent on the group, I've sent the I've sent their Facebook page, and I've sent their details. So just in case, maybe you really want to go. Some people have, right now it's December, so some people have got what, annual return stuff, accounting and bookkeeping. So people like me, I'm not good with accounts and bookkeeping. Actually, I failed miserable on those subjects. So if you are like me and you have got a problem with such things, so please visit this guy is here. So you can use Lee, you can speak to her. I will also leave her contacts in the group. So tax returns, pay substitution, labor compliance, construction company registration, and trading licenses. So those things are very essential if you want to go into the real business world. So please make sure you get in touch with them. But if you don't afford it yet, please, you can use what you have. Okay, I think this question is for you, Slee. It says, I have a question. If I want to register my business, do I have to come with a business plan and what? Okay, please let them know if they want to come and register a company, what is it that they have to carry on their hand? Please, that is for you, Slee.
Oh, okay. Sorry for not mentioning the MR requirements a company. Okay. Now to register companies, no need to put a business plan. Sinenge MR requirements for a company registration. You only provide us with 3 business name. Like ngabekisa nje ukuthi nangabe nje i-company yakho ufuna kuyetha ligama lethi prestige business, but kumele usinike ube na first choice, second choice and third choice. Stokhona ukuthi send ama-reservations, then usipha ama-objectives, company objectives. You can you can send us as many as you want. Like i-company yakho ngiye ngi-advise ukuthi ungayilimit noma ngabe nje wena i-branding, just include construction, salon, everything in such a way that uyawafaka azabe amalinki kube investment, ungatobe solu-amenda nangabe maybe sengithi sofuna kuvula lenye ibhizinisi in the long run. So yeah, then lamanye ama-requirements nangabe uwefana, it's fine kuba i-ID yakho, just ama-particulars e-director, which ID copy, postal address, physical address, then cell phone numbers. Yeah. Then usipha-ke ama-shares ukuthi eme kanjani. Kuyenteka i-company khona ukuthi ina-more than 2. Kuyenteka lo munye maybe bafuna kugila nema-shares, lo munye utaba na-10, lo munye uba na-50, lo munye uba na-40. Yeah, kuba kanjalo kuphela. Short ama-requirements, it's ID copy, physical address, postal address, 3 company name, 3 possible names, yeah. Then the business objectives.
Okay, thank you so much, Lee. So you understand now what you need to bring when you want to register a company. Okay, now there is something that you mentioned. In terms of the things that the company is going to do. You said you can bring as many as you can, right? Of which I want to make sure that people are hearing this. So it means I can register one company and make the company go for construction, go for salons, go for whatever. So can you please just elaborate more on that point? I think people would want to hear that one. So can you please elaborate on that one?
Yes. Lama objectives, don't limit your company. Like for example, as I excellent, a company is an umbrella of your businesses. I can say maybe Malindi Investment. Malindi Investment, kune saloon under Malindi Investment trading as a Malindi Saloon. Phindze futhi under Malindi Investment we have Malindi Construction. Kanjalo kanjalo. Aba maningi kude ilimit ukuthi ama-objectives akho angakanani. You can even do real estate, everything like under the same company.
Wow, I think that is very, very, very good. Because uh, maybe some people didn't know. They think you have got to register a saloon, then next time you decide to go for real estate, then you come now and register as a what? A real estate. But instead Just create one thing that is going to be an umbrella that is going to allow you to be flexible. Okay, wonderful. Now, I think the first one is answered. The next question is, how much do they charge for registration, business plan, trading license? What are the costs? So please give us the cost so that people can start budgeting. They come to you not asking too many questions. So please take that one again.
Oh, okay. So for company registration, we only charge 1.6. The 1.6 is include that like government fees, our service fee is included from the 1.6. So for a trading licenses they differ. Like ngabekisa njengokuthi business ahlukile. For instance, kunemuntu lo register i-saloon. I-saloon inemali yakhona. We charge using the government gazette. Yeah. Ngicabanga ukuthi okay for i-trading license, we normally charge lo muntu nasekasitshela ukuthi wena ibhizinisi yani, since trading license ahlukile. Kune-construction, kune-pharmacy, kunani nani. So ngeke ngikhone ukusho ukuthi i-trading license ithi malini. Ngalokuthi phinde futhi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi inciphe. So kuba kahle nangabe lo muntu utile washo ukuthi ufuna ukuregister i-trading license yani, but nje just to give them i-clue, akakaduli. Ngabekisa construction ihlukene kangi-3. Kune small scale, medium scale and large scale. Large scale uba ngu-5,000 lo ufaka khathi bo inyathi, of which bo inyathi benta konke lokhu yabona bo road construction whatever. Then medium scale usuke wenda bo wiring nekwakha indlu, yeah, ngena lapho. Then small scale bo carpentry and stuff, then yena iba 1.250. Then bo saloon nabo car wash in lalamanye lawo ayashipha avamise kurenja bo 500 kuya pass. Yeah, but the company yona iyodwana iba seceleni 1.6, nalokuthi ithatha liviki ke kuphuma.
Okay, I think that is it. So I think someone else has got a question like the trading license. Okay, some people they don't know when to pay for a trading license. Will it be charged monthly or it's a yearly cost? Please help them
Okay.
out on that one. I know someone wants that question.
Trading license we only renew it yearly. Let make an example. Langabe nje kunemuntu, if you registered your trading license January 31 December, it expires. Kumele uyi-renew for 2026, of which every year wena kumele urenew. Then ikhampani nayo uyi-renew yearly, but kunale ndlela lababala ngayo bona ka-government. Ngabekisa nje njengemuntu lo register ikhampani this year, noma ungayiregister nyalo ngeke uyiregister next year 2026, uyoze uyiregister 2027.
Okay, thank you. So you do understand, guys, that for instance, the small scale businesses, most of them they range just 500 emalangeni. That is a amount you're going to be paying per year. You're not going to be paying it every month. So it means even if your business is slow, you can be saving 50 emalangeni per month, think planning for the next season. So it's not much. So the much money, it is when you are starting, whereby you need to do what the company registration and everything brought together. But if you don't afford, if you do not afford the business plan, we are going to use AI to create a business plan for you. Then you can just ask for them to amend it if that is possible. So I hope Mr. Samuel is answered on that one. Then Ndumiso is saying, is it possible to add the objectives if I have an already registered company? Okay, so Ndumiso is saying, can I now amend what is already running? I want to add the objectives now. What do I do? Please attend to
Yes.
that one.
Yes, definitely. So we can amend my objectives. Like I said earlier, ngiyalo ukuthi vele sekutaba le mali now amend. Usually nje thina for my customers so so to say like Amanda we charge 2 point we charge 3 point it's 350 for my amendment yes ncesi so ngilevel bengisho ukuthi if naka-register-ile akazange sekatilimite kulama objectives ngabe kude lesidingo sokuthi awa-amende but nyalo vele sekudingeka ukuthi phinde futhi akhiphe lomnye 350 tukwalele bekayi-register ngalo.
That is actually clear. That is wonderful. So you understand, guys, why it is important to have us doing such classes, because on the previous classes we didn't have someone from company registration. Like I said, there is a language that I can speak when it comes to sales. That is my language, sales and marketing. But when it comes to other things, we do need what? We do need experts. So please, if you are interested in doing, if you are interested in what, in starting your business, or you want anything to do with, as I've think I've shown here, as I can show, takes returns, whatever that language is. So you guys know company registration, annual returns, accounting and bookkeeping. Please make sure you visit them right here. So if you speak to Slee nicely, she's a very nice lady. So if you speak to her nice, she's going to give you. I don't know, but if you speak to her nicely, so you guys can get somewhere. So thank you so much, Slee. Is there anything that you feel like you can add before you sign out, please? And anything maybe you feel like you need to add there?
Um, okay, yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi ngaba ukuthi nje nangabe khona lo interested ku-register, ngicabanga ukuthi ngidova ngabo. Yeah, ikhona ne-discount since on the same class, ngicabanga kanjalo. Phela kuloko engingakusho ukuthi nangabe loku-register kuyasida kakhulu. Nami nje kungivulele timfene etiningi since ngirejistile, so akufani nakucala ngisaqala ngisengika-register than nyalo.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, just one last question for you, Slee. Paya is saying, you said company can be an umbrella of many businesses. Does that mean I'll have one trading license for the whole company, or I'll be trading, it will be a trading license for each business? Please clarify on that. Please clarify on that one before you sign out.
Oh, okay. Since amabhizinisi ahlukene, ikhampani ngiyo i-umbrella, but yena nakatoba nemabhizinisi lamaningi, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ahlukene. Noma ngabe ufuna kwenta i-construction, kune-trading license yaka-construction, iyodvwana, inema-requirements akhona. Kune-trading license yaka-pharmacy, inema-requirements akhona. Yabo tonke letinfo leto. So kahle kahle vele nangabe ufuna kuba nemabhizinisi lamaningi kumele uregister ngayinye under the same company though.
I think that makes perfect sense. For instance, this is DigiSkills World. So DigiSkills World is the umbrella of everything that I'm doing. So under DigiSkills World, we've got this class, right? And then we've got what? We've got the other perfume making class, and then we've got other different classes that are under DigiSkills World. So the company, it is the motherboard for everything. But when now you decide to open a salon has got to have what? Its own trading license under that company. Like for instance, the Inyats that she was making example with, the there is Inyats construction, but under them you will find that there are other things that they're doing that are still part of what? Of them. They can be doing road construction, they can be supplying blocks, they can have a block yard, same company, but what? Different things that they're doing under there. Otherwise, thank you so much, Malindi. And guys, you heard, if you want to register a company and you come in the name of this class, you are getting a house discount or a house discount. Ne? So those are the benefits of being here. So, and like I said, if you want to, Mr. Samuel, are you there? Mr. Samuel, yes, you are there. Say, please, Mr. Samuel is here in Matsapa. So what Mr. Samuel does is that he is doing a branding. He does branding. So, Mr. Samuel, can you please just let's say I want to start my business now, and then I want to do what? I want to print, maybe I want to print a board. Can you just please just explain a bit about what do you guys specialize on printing about and the charges, if any? Mr. S, please kindly take us there, sir.
Uh, Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Our company name is We Print. We specialize in all kinds of printing, from 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 general printing up to even billboards. Uh, if you if you want to advertise your business, or maybe just wanting to brand your office, or you want to put maybe a signboard directing where your company is, you can just come to us, or maybe you can just get us on WhatsApp, or you can make a call. Then because when it comes to the signs, it will depend with the sizes that you require. Then we can design for you according to your specifications. We can design for you. Then we can print you. We also create, or maybe fabricate the frame. We even buy the sheets. Then we print, and we can test even the stickers for you. Then your signboard is ready. We can even come and install for you, or maybe you can install for yourself. But that is also part of our service, that to install for you, it is free. And also, if we are going to be doing everything for you, we won't charge you even even for the we won't charge you for the design. The design will be free. Uh, yeah, I think that's it. Then also, even the same also, even like when you want business cards, the design also is free. We will only charge you for the printing. And also, even for t-shirt printing, for t-shirt branding, even for mugs, we we also won't charge you for the design. The design will be free. We only charge you for the size of what we are printing, or maybe just for the quantity. I think that's all.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Mr. S. So, Mr. S is running. I think I think he had some slight issues with their network, but I think we got what he was speaking about. So they are doing printing. They are around Mahala, just around Lifestyle, opposite the road, Lapa Emaropotini. So okay, okay, that's good. So around Lapa Emaropotini, there are those around the car wash there. There are just those mobile houses there. So if you need any printing, and you can just go for Mr. Salman. Okay. So the Petele is saying they're asking for contacts for Malindi and Mr. Samuel. All right, no problem. We're going to give those contacts to the group. Otherwise, like I said, we are helping each other here. So whatever business that you are running and you need customers on, so feel free. We are supporting each other here. So we've got who? We've got Ndumiso, you are there. So Ndumiso, you do computers, right? You do computers. Please off your mic. Please off your mic. I'm just trying to give the platform to people who might need customers. Please, if you have a business I've forgotten, please just inbox me now so that I get an idea. Hey, Mr. Ndu, please explain a bit about what you are doing, sir. Okay, I think you are off. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Okay, I think Domiso is having problems with his mic or something, eh? So I can you try again, do? Okay, and Domiso is having troubles with his mic. Then we have got Mr. Malaza. Mr. Malaza is running what? Is running a preschool for kids. Actually, I think they were having graduation. I don't know if it was today. So they've got a preschool. Mr. Malaza, would you mind if you tell us where you guys are located and how do we get a hold of you? How do we get a hold of you if we want to take our kids to your school?
Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity. Sine preschool, Umalinza, Ang2 my preschools etfu, but the first one is called Amazing Preschool. Ngulesi rana as our own personal business. Ikumalinza yona a highway that is before filling station. A highway Ulasi located corner, so it's our second year. And it's doing very well. Our graduation is coming on the 27th for this year. Now maybe even my contacts if possible, but locally around Malinza, Ulasi sitholakala corner with qualified teachers, with a wonderful space for kids to enjoy learning and also to grow in many areas. Ngeke siyakhulunywa ngisho ngala emakhaya ngoba sizama ukuthi silethe sona kakhulu ngoba lamakhaya kwanza ukuthi isingisi sibasincane, but we try to implement more on English kubantwana bethu. That's the first preschool that we have, and then we also have another preschool at our church la eBadlane, lona ke lila eBadlane kuMalinza nalo. Lona ke under the church, it's a care point. It's open for any child in the community to come and be part of the preschool. Nakhona sithatha ke from lo labancane from 3 to 5 wakhona both preschools. I can say so. My preschoolers now. Today we were having the graduation here Valera's church. We only graduated today. About 12 kids were graduating in that preschool. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Malaza. So, guys, if ever your kid, English is very important. English is very important these days. So, please, yeah, apart from the charges for school fees, please make sure you take your kids to a school where they're going to learn English. It is very important, guys. Otherwise, the things that people are speaking out there, yeah, it really catches up with you. Okay, Tandwa Smilan, are you there? Our graphic designer. If you need a graphic design, maybe let's say you need professional. because the graphic design I show you, those are just simple stuff, ne? But for instance, I can do my posters, but if I want a serious poster for a big event, I use graphic designers. I'm not a graphic designer by profession. So what we do is just like as a business person, you need to know the basic skills. As a church leader, you need to know basic skills. So that is what I'm using. But if you really want the real stuff for a graphic designer, then we have to get you at a true graphic designer. He's in the house. He's here. Tando, are you there? Or should I look for you again? Okay, it's like I'm not getting the contact on the phone. Okay, but then any business that actually are running, please you can give me on my inbox. I will post it for you on the group, or I'm going to open the group so that you can introduce yourself, tell us what you do, give us your contact details so that we can be able to do it to help each other. So after class, you go to the group. I've opened the group. Go to the group. Tell us your name, your details, what you guys do, and where you are located, so that you get your next client. Maybe you get your next business partner or anyone that you are going to be needing. You might never know. Your helper might be here because it might happen that I can do this, but I need I need Slee to do it to register my company. So we need each other. We are building a community here whereby we want to help each other. Most of us are even around. So please, in the group, write your name, your contact details, what do you guys do? Let's get our customers and let's take things to the next level. Otherwise, uh no, I don't think we need a live class for this one. I don't think we need a live class because I'm going to be giving out certificates. I'm thinking I will be doing them from tomorrow. But you have to make sure that you hand over the please make sure that you hand over the assignments. It's just basically to show us that you understand what we are talking about. It's not really that we are interested in giving you a certificate, but we just need to make sure that you understand what we're talking about, and then you can get your certificate. So it means there is no need for class tomorrow because this I can just send in those things as notes. So you get. So we are getting. So you now understand why it's been a great time being with you guys, and I've never opened the platform like I did today. I've never opened it like I did because I'm trying to make sure that we're taking this thing every day. We're improving our lessons. I always say that all the classes are different. All our classes are different, so it is never the same. It is never the same. Every time we come back, it's a totally different thing. So please, my dear friends, I'm going to ask for a favor, a small, very big favor, ne? A very small, big favor. All I need, all I need from you now is just an honest review of how this black man, this dark guy, how did he treat you on the course?